Look at people. Okay. Rice and spinach. Lentil peas. Look at that. Coconut juice. Look at that. The smoke hard. Alright guys, look at that. Look at this plastic now. Look at people. Chicken. Look at that. So now we're gonna let that bake. Chicken. Look at that people. Coconut rice, lentil, spinach. But a smooth steam. Look at that. That people tell it coming nice. That is it.
Look at that, my beautiful people. Yes. Baked chicken wings, rice and lentil peas with spinach. Look at that. Yeah. Now it's time for eat, people. Stay to look at that. In a calabash. Yeah. Alright guys, this video is a little short video, so don't feel too disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. We out.